This is one of the neatest features on your iPhone. You maybe don't even know about it. Your iPhone can recognize any song that's playing. If you're in a coffee shop or at a restaurant and there's a song that's on and you really like it, try this feature to see if it can ID the song for you. I'll show you an example of how it works before I show you how to set it up. So I'm going to play a song on my computer. Open Control Center. Tap on that icon. There's the song. I Write the Songs by Barry Manilow. Stop the song on my computer. I tapped on that little notification bar that popped up and it shows the song right here and a bunch of information about it. You can open it in Apple Music if you want to. It shows a bunch of data and it's a super cool feature. I've used it many times and I have it right in my control center because sometimes I only have the song around me for 10 seconds or less. So I want to be able to get to that option really quickly. So if you don't have it there in your control center, you can add it. So to get to control center, just swipe down from the top right. If that isn't there, tap on the plus or tap and hold on any open spot and then tap on add a control. Right here is recognize music on the very first screen without even scrolling. So just tap on that to add it to your control center or tap on the search bar if you don't see it in the list and type recognize music. It'll show up. Then once it's there, all you do is tap on it, like I showed you when a song is playing, and try to get your phone as close to the source of the song as possible so you can hear it, especially if you're in a noisy place like a restaurant or a coffee shop, and hopefully it can identify the song for you. And if you find that your phone is always out of space, this is the next video you should watch. I show you 5 or 6 different trash cans that are often hidden that will help you find more space on your phone. I can almost guarantee you'll find more space on your phone. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.